Nearby badminton. Oh, badminton is a racket sport. Yes, sports are the rackets. Elbow. Adibi are the BBC say yeah the board is a table tennis, badminton. You know a racket sport. It's a racket sport. Badminton. We started badminton in October, officially in October last year, 2025, and I am the coach and their trainer. I'm actually an umpire. Yeah, so Ghana Badminton, I'm an umpire. And so I train the boys and the girls. We have Form 1s, Form 2s, Form 3s. And then we started from last year, October. It's been very, very tough. It's been very challenging. But I'm not done. You to me, enya unkola omo bo. Na oba na obeshed send ya obo. Maybe you call zonals. Yeah, you go win here, both boys and girls. We won it at the Krapim zone. That was also the core regionals. That's Ankobo, and we got silver and then bronze. The silver was for girls, and then the bronze was for the boys. Yeah. Oh yeah, there are a lot of challenges. You know, in every situation there are a lot of challenges. Success only comes with overcoming your challenges. One of the challenges we had has to be with training facility, and as you can see, we are playing it outside. Outside there so anke air badminton anke born outside and you use different shuttle different string but we be able wow to me say any conducive. So this is one challenge we have. We also have challenge with the time, our time for training. The students going to prep, you know, we close school at 4 and by the time they'll come in, you know, it's late and we don't have enough time to train. We also have issues with or challenges with equipment. In the Yama personal equipment, I'm toy those days. I'm a training in Colano. Shuttles in even the net. This is my personal net and all those stuff. So these are some of the challenges we have right here in Mampong Presec. Okay, students of Mampong Presec, both current, past, and even Mapusa, when you know, catch almost their motto, the school's motto is something that writes stories. Nothing but the best is what the school stands for. And the we make way, we make names and all those stuff. They should watch out for Mampong Presec because already we are topping it. When it comes to badminton, currently on the zone, we are the zonal champions, both boys and girls. So be to me, and so they should keep supporting Mampong Presec. Any form of support they can give to the school to progress in any sporting discipline, they should do it. And I always be with them. And as they know, Divo is always there to support them. So they should also support us. Thank you. Okay. First of all, a very popular sport for Ghana. Just that in that time, I have football, because recently we all inter-schools championship, national championship for schools. Mampong Presec was supposed to take part, but one or two reasons, a more shifting into that's a double tracking into me. So it's a very popular sport. But Bano Presec, I've seen for quite a number of years. I've seen that a lot of the students have talents, great talents. You can't even count. And when it comes to badminton, you'll be surprised that a student takes a racket for a day, and by the following week, the student is perfect in playing it. Which means inbound, internally, they have it. Just that they are not getting the time, the opportunities, the playing facilities to thrive. But I know that in the near future, Presec will come up on top, and these talents will be showcasing in Ghana and all over the world. Yeah, thank you too.
I'm Joseph Lati from Jamestown.
Okay.
I'm Form 3. I'm the badminton captain.
Okay. When did you start playing badminton?
Last year, during October.
So meaning before coming to Presec, you never had an experience of badminton?
No.
So what pushed you to get yourself involved in badminton? There are so many sports that are quote and unquote popular in Ghana that you can join. Why badminton?
Okay, the journey was this way. I was in class and we came for assembly, and my coach, that's Divine, came there and he was like, who wants to become a star? And no one went to him, but I went to him and I said, say me. And he said he's going to introduce me to a game called badminton. So we started training on and we got players attached to us.
So when you started training, were there anywhere that your colleagues told you that would have made you stop?
Yeah, a lot. Someone was like, in a game we went for Uncle baby football or badminton. No one knows badminton. Badminton a game be. And I told them that through God, I'll become a star one day. So I'll still play the game.
So do you see a future in badminton?
Yeah.
So finally, to your fans, Presec, those students, Presec students, what are you telling them?
Okay. First of all, I'll give thanks to the Almighty God, our headmistress, my parents and my coach, and my role model as usual, Leslie Niado Teado. He made me love the game. He tried to tell me many things about the game, but because of time, he was like, I have paper, so after school we'll talk. What I'll tell my fans is that they should continue playing even any sport. They can make it. With badminton, you can go anywhere. Football, you can go anywhere. So they should join any sporting activity, which will make them encourageable to learn, gain that knowledge in anything. It's like some people have that knowledge in learning. Mine is in sports. I'm interested in sports, so they can make it throughout the game.